Yeah, let's do the birds. Here we go. Whoops. Black Phoebe, right? And where's the word Black Phoebe? Can you find the word? Phoebe, that's right. And what's this? Owl. Yeah, that's a great horned owl. The owls are... Very good, that's right. Yeah, that's right. And what is this? Hummingbird, that's right. And what does the hummingbird do? That's right. Yeah. Yeah, the pigeon flies, that's right. And where's the word pigeon? You find the word pigeon? Right there, it says pigeon, that's right. What is this? Crow, yeah. Up in the tree, yeah. And what sound does a crow make? Caw, that's right. Yeah, very good. And can we find the word crow? Crow, very good. Okay, thank you so much. And yeah, this is the Black Phoebe again. Yeah. What? Oh, owl, yeah. We have to get some new birds, huh? We have to, you know these very well.
That's right. And okay, show Caitlin. Can you show Caitlin how to do these words? Carlie, show Caitlin how to do this word. What does this word say?
Papa.
And what does this word say? That's right. And what does this word say? That's right. And what does this word say? Carlie, show Caitlin how you can say this word. Okay, what does this word say? Moon, that's right. And what does this word say? Yeah, that's right. And that word? That's right.